Okay. Tell me what you want to be.
Hi, I'm Lola.
Hi, I'm April.
My name is George.
My name's Jason.
My name's Kitty.
My name is Desmond M.F. Johnson. Merriment means being your true authentic self and living out loud. That's what merriment means to me.
Being open to small little moments in your everyday life to find and create joy.
Merriment to me is a feeling, something that maybe you can give to someone else, a smile, joy, something that just puts a smile on someone's face.
It's about fun. It's about letting yourself have fun, be colorful, and do everything that you want to do from your inner child out.
About living your real life and just doing anything that you need to do.
Merriment means to me embodying your most authentic self, not holding back, and living bravely, boldly, colorfully, and out loud. And I think here in Graffiti Alley we did just that. So thanks so much, guys. That is a wrap. It's a wrap, boy. Woo! Woo! That is a wrap. Jason, that's a wrap.